Hello, welcome to day 19 of my 1 month challenge of trading to retire. This is where I will see if I can earn enough trading in a month where it will lead me to believe I can retire from my corporate career and just trade. Okay, so let's jump right in with my thought. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I believe thoughts lead to actions and actions lead to our results. And so the thought today was that I keep trying, even when it is hard. And sometimes it is hard, and it can be hard in the trading, it can be hard analyzing, it can be hard because of what the market is doing or not doing, and just life in general, right? So just being up and ready to go every day, regardless of what's going on around me and how difficult it is. So, what actions did I take? So, here are all the trades that I closed out today. And as you can see, some of them I opened a couple of days ago. Some of them I opened, well, one, no, two of them I opened 2 days ago. One I opened yesterday, and one I opened today. So, a total of four trades, all in SPY. And what were the results? So where does that leave me for the month? Well, the first few trades. So this one I made 2,200. No, yeah, 2,200, then 3,600, then 3,500. Then this one is $7, and that's one that closed last, and I opened it the one 2 days ago. Um, and I just wanted to get to break even because it had been thousands of dollars in the red. So, um, that's something I'll work on with myself because it wasn't that I was letting the charts really, I mean, I was using the charts to guide me to get to break even, but I could have been a little bit of a risk taker there too. And you'll see why as I move through this. But anyhow, so for the month thus far, I'm at $21,304.97. So making good progress there. And let's talk lessons learned. So my learning is to be patient but flexible. And I'll show you a chart and kind of talk through this concept of being patient but flexible. So I mentioned I opened some of these trades, yesterday and the day before, and I had targets for them to hit. They did not hit them during the day, and then you can see this massive drop for one that I was, playing to the downside happened in the pre-market hours. So I thought, oh my gosh, am I going to miss that? Is it going to bounce up before I can get it? Well, I think I don't have it marked on here, but I think um, my take profit was somewhere around $500 or so. When it got to $500 is when I take profit. It went way lower than that and opened up lower. So I did hit my take profit at the opening of the session today. And then um, I got flexible. I saw that the market was turning, right? It wasn't going to continue down. In the beginning, I was like, well, maybe it's just a temporary pullback and then it's going to turn and come down. But that's not what it was doing. So as I saw that it was going in the opposite direction, I started taking trades in the opposite direction. So I opened a trade to go up. And all of these four lines are different places where I thought maybe it would stop because of previous points that it had stopped at those places before. And it didn't stop at those places. But, this one, I was like, have I messed up? Is it going to is this resistance and it's going to come back down here or break through there? But I just sat patient because I wasn't getting confirmations that it was going to do that. Um, and I decided at that point, if it did, I wouldn't go, since I'd already made money, I wouldn't let it go in the red. I just take my profit when it got to this point if it came back down. So that was going to be the plan, but it didn't. And then it went on up. And so I think I got stopped out somewhere around this mark, the 504.87. That was my take profit. But you can see in after hours, it went on up and up and up and up and up and up. So I could have made thousands of more dollars, I guess, if I kept the trade on, if, there was enough interest out there that, someone would have, bought it. But I'm fine with that. I'd rather take what I know. I think one of my lessons learned last week or the week before was when there's profit, take it, right? And follow the charts. And so that's what I was doing. And so that's why I said be patient but flexible, and go the direction that the market is going, not the direction I want it to go, but just whatever it is doing. And when there's a trade where there looks like there could be a reversal quickly, go ahead and take it. And so I'm learning that lesson. Unfortunately, I have some other trades that I should have already closed out, and they're negative too right now. So we'll see, what that ends up yielding before the end of this month. But um, that's it. So we'll be back when I close out my next trades. Have a great day, everyone.